Hello everyone, I'm Namami and I'm going to share my chicken Karahi recipe with you. So let's get started. For this recipe, I've taken 1 kg chicken, and for that you need to heat 5 tablespoons oil in a big white Karahi or a wok. Then fry chicken on high flame till it changes its color. When chicken changes its color, then you need to add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry again for another 2 minutes. Now add salt and 5 to 6 tomatoes. You need to peel the tomatoes and cut them into rough cubes, like this. Since I've taken 1 kg chicken with bones, it will take some time to cook. So I'm going to cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until tomatoes turn mushy. Now let's prepare masala while it's cooking. 2 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and 2 teaspoon garam masala. Now as you can see, tomatoes have turned really very soft. There are some tomato pieces which I'm going to mash with my spatula. There should be no tomato pieces left. Now I'm going to cook this until the sauce is reduced and you can see oil on the sides. As you can see, oil is separated. At this stage, add all the spices that we prepared earlier. Now let it cook until all the spices are cooked with chicken. Now we need to add 2 tablespoon curd and then cook again for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 2 to 3 whole green chillies and a handful of julienne cut ginger and some coriander. Turn off the flame and add 2 teaspoon kasuri methi. Mix it well. Chicken karahi is ready. Serve it hot and garnish it with julienne cut ginger and coriander. Enjoy! If you like my video, please subscribe and like.